All right, so the countdown continues. Meantime, as we get closer to that total solar eclipse coming up here in our corner of the state next April. Yeah, so months away, but school districts, even colleges here at home, are already announcing that they're going to be sending the students home early so they can just take it all in.
Yeah, not just that though, they're using the entire year to teach about this, using the eclipse as a teaching tool in the classroom. Megan Solinsky joins us live this morning with how this is a teachable moment for many. Good morning, Megan.
Good morning. One of those universities is Gannon University, and it's not just a free day off for students. They're really trying to stress this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for not just students to learn, but the entire public as well. Gannon University's physics professor, Dr. David Horn, is working to educate the public ahead of the total solar eclipse. He tells us that totality and solar eclipse are two terms you do not want to confuse this April.
The eclipse technically starts at, say, 2:02 p.m. And you're not going to tell that the eclipse has started. It's going to look just like the normal bright sun in the sky. So you probably shouldn't look at that. No, probably about it. You shouldn't look at that. And the whole eclipse doesn't end until 4:30 p.m. So that's quite a long event. And the only bit that you're really interested in, that totality that we really want, is between 3:16 and 3:20. So that's the bit you can look at with your eyes safely. The rest of it, you're going to need to use special filters like these eclipse glasses.
Dr. Horn stresses that this is a once-in-a-lifetime event. The next time Erie will be in the path of totality for a solar eclipse is in 2144.
It's an inspirational event for people. It's a big, spectacular astronomical event. And unlike most astronomy events, this happens during the day, so you don't have to stay up late at night. So unless you plan to travel, this is kind of your shot.
Well, Gannon actually breaks down those terms that Dr. Horn was talking about on their website. So you can see here, this is the total eclipse, and then it's broken down to totality. Right here is that only time that you're actually safe to take off those glasses. And they go even further to take some of those spots that you might be watching the eclipse from either Presque Isle, the Bayfront Convention Center, even to Gannon University. And they broke that down to the second when that totality will begin. And again, this is on the Gannon website if you're looking for more information. And coming up at 6:30, I'll have more info on how not only universities are teaching, but some of those younger levels as well. From the studio, Megan Solinsky, Erie News Now.